Daybreak on D-Day. The Paradrop part of Mission Boston, the biggest airborne operation to date, is complete. The 82nd Airborne is on the ground in Normandy. Not everything went right. The cloud base over the drop zone and the German flak was dense. As a result, every unit has been scattered over a big area, and contact with the enemy has not helped the situation. You've spent hours of darkness trying to find your comrades using your cricket clicker. So far, you've only found a fraction of the planned force. After a short head count, it's clear that this is going to be one hell of a day. That doesn't change the fact that you have orders to follow, and they are very clear. Seize the causeways and bridges of the Fiere River to block German access to the beaches. Your group is tasked with taking the bridge at Fiere and holding it until the U.S. Army arrives from Utah Beach. Your task is vital. Once the bridge is taken, the enemy can no longer approach Saint-Mère-Église from the west or reach the roads to the invasion beaches. So take the bridge, dig in, and wait for the army to relieve you.
The Germans have flooded the fields around the Fiere River because they anticipated the invasion. We need to secure the bridge to prevent German reserves from counterattacking Saint-Mère-Église or reinforcing the Utah Beach defenses. There's a small garrison in a nearby manor. We need to capture the manor to secure and hold the bridge. All right, boys, listen up. Germans are garrisoned in the area and control an important bridge that allows a path through these flooded fields and over the Fiere River. This bridge is one of the few pathways they can use to ferry troops and supplies to Saint-Mère-Église and Utah Beach. We need to capture the bridge to prevent additional forces from attacking the beachhead. We need to move fast and take the enemy by surprise. Flank the manor and cut off any escape routes. We don't want them calling for reinforcements. Any questions? Okay, on me. There's no time to waste. Let's push the Germans out of there.
Ready, sir.
Ready to go, sir.
Always ready. Sir, yes, sir.
Always ready. Any orders, sir? Ready, sir. Understood, sir.
Bazooka team,
I'm ready.
waiting orders.
Move up, man.
Ready to go, sir. Waiting your command, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Jerry has the frontal approaches covered. Let's push farther south along the path and hit them from the flank.
Ready to go, sir. There's a
Yes,
cannon
sir.
over there. Watch out for that cannon! Enemy artillery! Ready to go, sir. I'm ready. Move up, men!
Yes, sir. Ready to go, sir.
Sniper team, ready for action.
Right on it, sir.
After them. Any orders, sir?
Sniper, awaiting orders.
Hey, move up, men!
Away. There's artillery up there. Give that man a cigar. Yes, sir.
Hey! A bike messenger is making a break for it. Stop him before he can alert another German garrison. He's not going anywhere.
Ready, sir. Yes, sir.
Any orders, sir?
Who needs morphine?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Awaiting orders, sir.
They're fucked.
It's a whole other company! Aye, sir.
I have them all lined up.
Any orders, sir? Yes, sir.
I got them all lined up.
Any orders, sir?
Careful now. What do you need?
Ready to go, sir. Yes, sir.
Sniper, standing by.
Sniper here. Under heavy fire.
Sniper moving out.
Any orders, sir?
Sniper here. My rifle
Aye,
is
sir.
ready. Stay right there.
Schnell in Deckung, ready.
Grenade!
Schnell, Männer, in Deckung!
Sniper awaiting orders. I have a target.
Awaiting orders, sir. Deckung!
Will do, sir. Come on, get a move on. No problem, sir.
Tut euch decken!
Always ready.
Sniper standing by.
Awaiting orders. Bullseye.
Sniper here.
Awaiting orders, sir. Of course, sir.
Shit!
We need some cover here! This one's from Uncle Sam! Yes, sir! Ready to go, sir!
Taking daneben.
That's so damn! Grenade! Sir, yes, sir.
Medic standing by.
Look out! Go, go, go!
Sniper here. My rifle is loaded and ready for duty.
Scheiße, der hat mich fast erwischt!
Sniper here. My rifle is ready.
Medic here.
Serve you right!
Sniper here. My rifle is ready.
Sir.
Sanitäter!
I need help!
Always ready.
Always ready.
Always ready. Millions from Uncle Sam! Ready, sir. You bastards! Always ready.
Waiting your command.
We
sir.
cleared out the Krauts. Search for additional
Awaiting
equipment
orders,
and
sir.
prepare for the inevitable counterattack. This bridge is as important to them as it is to us.
Awaiting orders, sir.
Awaiting orders, sir.
Excellent work, troopers. The manor is ours. We need to set up defensive positions overlooking the bridge. If Jerry wants the manor back, they'll have no choice but to attack from across the river to the west. We should deploy our 57mm AT gun and mine the approach to the bridge. This should help stop any German armor coming our way. Let's go!
Yes, sir.
Jerry left some explosives in this crate. Let's mine the approach to the bridge with anti-tank mines.
Right on it, sir. Any orders, sir? Will do, sir.
Any orders, sir? On the way!
We now have a 57mm AT gun. Let's position it with a good view of the road.
Ready, sir!
I'm ready.
Aye, sir.
I'm ready.
Always ready. Awaiting orders, sir. Any of you have some water?
A medic team is at your disposal.
Ready to go, sir.
Always ready.
Search the boxes and vehicles around the manor. Gather as much ammo and weapons as you can find.
Understood, sir.
Ready to go, sir.
Medic here.
Go, go, go!
What are your orders, sir? Right on it, sir.
Ready to go. Always ready.
What are your orders, sir?
Awaiting orders.
Okay, sir.
Ready, sir. We have anything to eat around here? It will be done, sir. Already on it.
Yes, sir. Will do, sir.
Aye. On the way.
Yes, sir.
Any orders, sir?
I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Ready, sir.
I'm ready.
Always ready.
Medic here. Who needs help?
Yes, sir. Ready. Cannon ready.
Ready, sir.
Medic standing by.
Ready to go, sir.
Enemy artillery incoming. Take cover. Here they come.
Waiting orders, sir. All right, sir. Ready to roll. Gun! Look out! That's enemy armor!
There's something wrong with the AT gun's breech. Don't fire it too much or it'll break.
Shit! The AT gun's breech broke. Somebody grab me a repair
Always
kit.
ready.
Always ready. Ready, sir. Ready to go, sir. for here. My rifle is loaded and ready for duty.
They've got a zero! Spread it out!
The AT guns are crouched up. We're back in business.
There you go. Ready to fire. Yes, sir.
Coffee! Feindliches Geschütz!
Get a move on.
On, don't leave me!
Whoa! Damn, these guys good.
Waiting order.
Good to go, sir.
Look what we found. Jerry's radio.
Sucht euch Deckung!
Gott verdammt! Haltet das Gebiet! Weitermachen! Wir gehen in Deckung!
Where do you need?
Gebe mich in Deckung!
Deckung! Deckung! Wir müssen die Stelle... Achtung! Feindgeschütz!
Medic standing by.
It's not for here.
Wir dringend einen Sanitäter!
Ready to go, sir.
Dort drüben!
About time you showed up. We're in the thick of it.
Ready, sir.
Achtung! Feindliches Geschütz!
Medic here. Where am I needed?
Ich glaub, mich hat's erwischt!
Medic here.
Dort drüben! Draufhalten!
Ready to go, sir. Understood, sir. Awaiting orders, sir. Yes, sir. Stellung halten! Attention front! Any orders, sir? I'm ready.
Das ist ein Befehl!
Of course, sir. There's a cannon over there. Enemy artillery.
Gib mir deine Handgranate, schnell! Feindbeschuss von rechts!
Sniper here under heavy fire.
Always ready.
Where did they come from?
Achtung! Feindliches Geschütz! Ein Sanitäter!
Fire in the hole!
Achtung! Feindliches Geschütz! Nicht zurückweichen, Kameraden!
Fire in the hole! Catch!
They're retreating.
Where do you need me?
Achtung! Feindliches Geschütz!